how the concept of marginal gains and the difference of 2% will make your team up to 1,480 times better in 1 year. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So, what are marginal gains? Marginal gains are small improvements which are leading over time with a compound effect to awesome results. And that's what I'm going to talk. What is the concept? What can you do in your team to use the marginal gains? And third, what are the benefits and how do you achieve the 1,480 times improvements? Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me yet, my name is Sven and I'm an Agile coach based in Austria and currently in Germany visiting a 5-day seminar on management and leadership. And on this channel we are exploring how to make your team happier and more productive. And today we're going to talk about the concept of marginal gains and how this will lead to up to 1,480 times improvement. So let's get started. So marginal gains are small changes you do, and over time they will have an awesome result due to the compound effect. And the concept of marginal gain became popular with the British cycling coach Dave Brailsford, and there's an awesome article. I'm going to link down how a 1% improvements led to Olympic gold. So he took over the British cycling team in 2002 in preparation of the Olympic Games in London in 2012. And until then, the British cycling team were not very good in succeeding, but they figured out in cycling they could get a lot of gold medals when they improve. And so he and his staff had a look in how to improve cycling in every area you could think about. So it was not only about cycling, but it was also about giving hands to other people when they had a competition, sleeping on their own mattress when they had a competition because that improved the sleep. So they had a look into the compound effect of everything you do in the area of cycling. Another famous book, Atomic Habits from James Clear, is also talking about how tiny changes have remarkable results. But now you might think about, like, what can I actually do to have this 1% improvement? And in the private area I'm doing for many years called a concept of Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. I'm doing 6 things every morning in the area of personal development which has massive impacts on my results. They are meditating, reading, journaling, affirmations, visualizations and exercises. And when I do this in the morning, I feel much more energetic and ready to rock my day. What are now the things you can do in your team to actually have the same results and use the marginal gain concepts? So I highly recommend you to watch my other video where I talk about 3 tools of high performance teams: to introduce a daily, to have a backlog, and to have a regular retrospective. So those 3 tools can lead to massive improvements in your team and have the benefits of the marginal gains. What are now the benefits of using marginal gain and the numbers behind the 1,480? On the one side we have the time, and on the other one we have the productivity. And now just imagine we start at 1 and every day we are going to improve by 1%. And in the beginning you will not see any huge difference, but over time the compound effect will hit in, and at the end of the year, so after 365 days, you will have an improvement by 37% 0.78. And now let's have a look on another team which is not giving 101%, but maybe a slightly less. So only 99%. So imagine every day you get 1% less good in your productivity, and over that 1 year period you will end up at the end at less than 3%. And now the big difference between those two approaches, where one time you give 101% every day and one time you give 99%. That 2% difference will lead to the massive difference of 1,480 times. So what do you think? Is this hack worthwhile trying out in your team? Maybe when you sit the next time together with your team in a retrospective, reflect and think about how you can start your journey of marginal gains in your team. So please leave a comment below. What are things you are doing to improve 1% at a time? Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you want to see more videos about how to make your teams happier and more productive, then please subscribe to my channel. And I wish you an enjoyable and productive time.